Hey everyone, this is Mart again, and today we'll be making the French 75. Now, I just sabered open this bottle of Moscato. I'm doing a different version of the French 75, but it works pretty well. So we're going to start off with 1 ounce of Origin Gin from here in St. Louis. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 ounce right there. Then we're going to do a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Going to pour this all in here in the glass itself. There we are. And then we're gonna do a ½ ounce of lemon juice. You wanna make sure that it's fresh, squeezed lemon juice, all right? So you want everything fresh. So let's get this in here. Do about a ½ ounce. Bam, perfect. Pour that in. And then before we go any further, I wanna throw in my lemon peel. Gonna give it a little twist like so. And then you can have it hang off the top if you want, or you can just let it filter down in. I guess, you know what? We'll just let it kind of sit there like so. How about that for presentation's sake? And then you're gonna fill 3 ounces at least with usually champagne, but I'm doing Moscato because I feel like it's gonna give it a better springtime look to it. And there is the French 75. Now you wanna wait for the bubbles to fill down and then pour a little bit more in to top her off. There we go, and that's all there really is to a French 75. That's what it looks like right there. You can see the lemon peel. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that is a very refreshing drink. Like, that is a summer drink right there, a springtime drink. You get the herbaceous gin, you get the bubbly carbonation of the Moscato, and then the sweetness of the simple syrup, and a bit of zest from the sour lemon. So, there's the French 75. Cheers.